model, 2008 Volkswagen Transporter T30 102 Tdi Lwb black. Great body spares or repairs. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 102,882. MOT, the 27th of February 2025. Engine, 1896 cc BRS 102 bhpe4b. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox is whining but still more than drivable. Nice easy project. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Well looked after van and first to see will definitely buy. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, whining.